catch 'em all.
I decided to go with an off-the-shelf cam for this one. It is a Ford Racing F303 cam. I went with it because it basically said it was a great one. Well, I can't tell you that because I'd give that away. Y'all can do a little research and y'all can tell me why. Let's see. But anyway, cam card right there. Now, I know they make this special whatever in a little container, but what I'm gonna do, because it's still gonna serve the same purpose, is also, when you get a cam for the 85 to 95 or 86 to 95, it's supposed to come with two, but one is for carbureted. Clearly, when I told them what application this was for, they knew it was a roller and fuel injection. So normally you'll get two pins, a very long one, or dowel. You'll get two long ones. This one, it didn't, simply because, well, it's for a fuel injected. I am putting oil, just using regular oil on the lobes. Some people may not agree with it, I don't know, but it's what I'm doing because that's what I've seen a lot of people do. They have simply just put regular oil on it. It's just simply for lubrication on engine startup while the oil gets to all the cam bearings and things like that. So real nice and slow. Set it right there, kind of take a break. There it goes. Alright, like I said, want to be nice and easy as possible. Not to mar up the not to mar or scratch. As you see, that is in. It spins real nice with the oil I put on it. And I will, before I complete this, I will go back in there somehow with a dripper, like a syringe or something, and drip some oil on them. But it should be fine. We'll be right back. I'm going to go wash my hands, get this oil off. As you see, that worked quite well. flipping the block for the rockers to fall down, whether I needed to or not, I don't know, but it just feel like made life a little easier. Alright. And your plate. Clean this off a little bit. Put our bolts back in. So that, for whatever reason, almost forgetting something. And now we're going to install, pretty sure this is called the thrust plate. And what I keep calling your thrust plate, you have to make sure that it's put on right, because right here I'm almost certain that there's a little galley that's in here. I should have showed you. There's a little galley, there's a hole, I guess, where it feeds oil, and a little galley where it feeds the oil to the back. And your plate even says back, so it's almost impossible to get wrong. And clearly it ain't gonna really go but one way because of how it's made. Okay, so what I did, because I can't do inch pounds and obviously foot pounds would be crazy torque on these bolts, it said 100 to 108 inch pounds. All I did was I put some Loctite on it and I tightened it to feel what it felt like when I undid it. Again, it's got Loctite. Y'all are not going to agree with that. I'm probably going to get shit for that, but it's fine. But it's on there. Now I feel confident with it.